Amada share nonsia abema munyina mwajo anaso biam yatan sede no nonsia kase bo aba ababa som na kase bo free ha abetwa no na afa ba fontenta fidie no so ko no mo a www.sompaonline.com kwa nsem nyina no benya bi no wakenkan afa Facebook ni YouTube no Sompa 93.1 anansem wo yede ba no eniane mu ni bini Oro John Dramani Mahama adi atudwa atwese o maga na nyina mahwode aso ye no e wo sene ne kine ya dansiesie mapatumi koso na sasore agina ne naso sanso ne na mrahye badwafie won mko asetena na speaker adi atudwa se eneya Ghana for do no ato aba adi ama ndc amanyokoro wo monka hu se wo hia pa se wo mbaboa ama won masetena mu atumi akoye ntira NPP amanyokoro na Ghana for di nkomo ne na won mafasa kwanya no so atonsa dia fra mama ya wodo mpanyumfo a wo munim abato mu se wo mra mabo electoral commission sane ya baye na mpeso wodo ya yentimi nkenkan won mo de no enkenkan ni nyina da ebetumi awiemu die ya tete se nyina hini aban sesa ya aba awo ma Ghana mu na busua nkrom yenu bi ade bo ani pa ya mabunu no amayo kasa nipa no mienu won mo china no ewo ansia do sanso ana mane boya yensaka atrose mampanye nadanko akufu ado ni honyina ene won makwakosie no nipa binum akobubu ne nan ne fa ama aposifo de krata piedwa won mo chose na ne chine yada nipa bonfo kodi se adwuma no won beye ni mu nhwehwemu Ghana Water Company Limited won mo so na to predwai won mo de amane akire se adwuma ko bia won mo bangalows ahodo ya no ya Ghana Water Company Limited won mo de o makwakobubu no no won mo don hwere ne makoma aduanan wotwe won mo ahwansia ye besie no enhwe ya anya asempa kora we anansema ahodo bi anabusua ananumero so yaboabo no ya ne nyina baba so wo sa numero no nsia kase bo na abonta tia betimi atwa so no da mabase anwumako bi adaroma ana won mo so yasene 21st clinic yasiatica expert 3 herbal center yadamo ase mo de 3 core capsules no atayachi express group na de wutu kwan wase kwase bwani kro mo bakwa no wasanso akobiem mizo and 5G yadamo ase a ensada eno achi no so mpa chade yakoso abomon kayo sabusua afin so de no eba so Liberty Conference December edition no so eba so live when nyumako awodo no kai bi na won madoma so yasene a yare no sia kase bo eba basom ananumre midi ene akosia ajewa kwade boaten afei ansam no ne nchemu ankasa eni Mampanya ya sebra Ghana for to abaye no cry John Dramani Mahama another Dria Ghana Pentecostal and Charismatic Council one mo bana basra panyi pai nam so amode atudwa atro se awesem se ya se na wasa se na ewom se mampanyi nadanko akufu ado wababa na famu de anokwa bibia dade pefe so oba no obatoto nneoma wababa hyehye nneoma madum so eto atimi twade na so ne ya kasai no ECG adwumako ya won mo hwemo ma Ghana yankane ya no sika nchemu aduasa mienu 32% ana sebre ahwe won mo bi framo no ne ebi nso yo ma Ghana mu a wenu aye sika twetwere dia won mo ntumi nyegye emfiri nkrofo wo ane kabia ECG adwumako no ade ewo nkrofo maman so aka wo bi amama panyi ye John Dramani Mahama ade ato Ghana fo nyina anim wase wonsom anu anipa kuriye e wose nyina ye bideboa na wono so na ban ya wabetena konya so yi wo ba na fam de bia sane ye be no magana ye nyina ma hoɔden no besan so gina na so biem na san kane preso ene katwitwiri dia aya mene won mo no ye betimi eto ase ama no yi
priority really is the economy. Even though the president sounded very upbeat about the third quarter growth, from the level briefing I have, the economy is still very sick, and there are many areas that we need to work on as quickly as possible, especially the energy sector. The energy sector can derail everything that we've done with regards to the debt exchange and with regards to the IMF program, because the debts continue to pile up there. ECG governance is in a very bad way, and so they are making commercial and technical losses of more than 32%. There's no utility company that can survive with 32% commercial and technical losses and still continue to be a viable utility. And so as quickly as possible, we need to do reforms, in the whole electricity value chain in order that we have better efficiency and performance if we are to have sustainable power.
I was saying, John Dramani Mahamani, say what no, sir, and now my Ghana, you know, what you say, and I was here to me pejampa, Nasha Shema pa, to me equasu. Another dear Rasha Jeffrey, one more quas, certain cry. Way and dear Dickakura, free bra, you are Alban Sumana Babin. What told Rasha Jeffrey was sounds to be a ya. Dom Cassia, ya no, I and Pipia Manuko, one more new muti, Naka will be man sounds to tomb would no. Na and na a bram Rasha Jeffrey, Coco Pia Muna say, na and your ma and Nick Sansa, a ban wadane, and your ma Ayaqua could DNDC, a Manuko no and sem. Anona, you are Alban Sumana Babin. Your chairman here wam Rasaba Jafie editing kwansem akwadiama ye John Dramani Mahama ane Andy Siamanyoko ni nyina se won ma konkoden won ma yade se won ma tumi akura wo mu die mu abepem sesa Ghana fo tumi ato oba ede ama wo mu na mommo mu kire mu nye wo da kura sanse babia Ghana fo ahwe won mo soro ade akwakodu no wo ma mu nyina hwe won mo kwan se won be ye bidi abo afinhia nan ya edo ma Ghana yanimuo no enioma ba we betena akonya so wantumi anye ewo se andisi amanyoko no ba wo mo bai wo mba betoto nioma na Ghana yesan so yese kwase buroni krom na dache nkrofo pinu a adiomunyuma abeshembi.
On behalf of the Parliament of Ghana, I extend our hearty congratulations to the President of Ghana, His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, for his leadership in the organization of the general elections, and the Vice President for conceding defeat early enough to those the heat generated by the decisive vote of the people of Ghana. I'll also, on your behalf, applaud the President-elect, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, the Vice President-elect, Her Excellency Professor Nana Jane Opoku-Agyeman, for scoring an emphatic victory and a heavy mandate of Ghanaians at the just ended general elections. I need not remind anyone of the saying, to whom much is given, much is expected. Your promise to reset Ghana has been massively endorsed by the voters, and you cannot afford to disappoint them. I trust Parliament will be a reliable partner and a gatekeeper to ensure a just delivery of that promise. Many opportunities have been unleashed and many more myths broken by this victory. But I'm very, very happy that we did not just pass the law on gender for nothing. It has already shown some fruits. Her Excellency's ascendancy to the position of the Vice President of this nation has not just opened the door, it has opened doors. And I'm happy with her promise that she's going to keep the doors open for many more to take advantage of and to improve.
I was so worried, Chairman, my Ghana, Rasaba Jafie, you're Alban Sumana Babi. Majority leader, you are Alexander Fanyoma Kennedy out to Jay. We are the Sadia Pie or Dema, Mamma, or Drumping for one more. Womuka be a woman in my batu or more tea about what I say. So one when you may have been from once and drop from come away. Na electoral commission, the Jumadia word, dear no. Nina and to me can for Sunday by number, so I would do. Woman to me mobile bano. Electoral commission, but to me a quarrel with you when Obama Waye. Was here once so my Ghana take a mammy cabia say. Yada Jumadia and Asha Fino. And this Yamanyo Kuano Manaya de pa. Adiama Electoral Commission send Jumadi obetumi ade ne Frenchem wa abra ho amasem wase anim pefesa afia batoyo to yanamo na modi nkunimu de nanso chenchina atwan kokoti mempene no eya doso papa ya ase amanioma pinua mu eya yere adiama Electoral Commission enam so nti no NPP amanyoko no fasa akonya no so na won matonsa de afrankofo amaman sofo enne won ma munim abatuo mu enne nsamtrofo nyina so obiya meye na fam de mfamoa sane ebaya abatuo ne nkenka so ye empesua makoma kunum de no aka no Electoral Commission wobetumi afri ne mu de mu na wabobo amano ayeji.
Another go slow on Sompa Parliamentary. Each one of them that came said, "Oh, you said another pray within I am farmer." Where does this happen? Eventually, when the EC official decided to continue the process, the NDC, led by Alfred Woyomi, came into the collation center and said that, okay, their computer was not working. So we should give them 2 hours to charge their battery. As at 1 a.m., when they had gotten 3 hours to charge the so-called battery of the laptop, they said they were tired. Meanwhile, their candidate walked in. The candidate for Nsawoma Adwejiri walked in. And we said, okay, if you are tired, the candidate himself was there. Meanwhile, Honorable Anodampe had been there the whole day. What next? The EC official, after another 1 hour of unnecessary disruption, he said he was tired, he was feeling sleepy, and that we should do it at 6 a.m. the following day, Friday. We all slept there. Well, by the way, I left around 4 a.m. to shower, and I came back around 7 o'clock. Around this time, the General Secretary was also there, but the candidate, Honorable Anodampe, and his agent slept there. At 6:30 thereabout, collation resumed. Around 8 o'clock, they started the agenda again. Will not allow. Then around 8:30, their counsel came in, Honorable Mr. Eduji Tamako, claiming that he had in his possession an injunction order from the court. Only to find out later that they will use the delay tactics to file an application. They had filed a writ in court, that is the candidate for NDC had filed a writ in court with an injunction application, which they were seeking to serve the Honorable Anodampe and EC. So clearly, these are not Democrats. Whereas Dr. Bawumia conceded defeat even before EC's official announcement, they were not ready to accept defeat in these constituencies that day. They were not ready to concede defeat where they knew clearly, because the posture was that they won't allow the process to continue. And then, in fact, on Friday itself, after they have successfully gotten the Anodampe constituency collation disrupted, then they came to the others. The police had arranged collation tables.
I was your worry, I majority leader, your woman, Ghana, Mrashabedo, Fiora Lazanda. After your mark, another doing some job for Shamudia and Pipia Manokuni, you know, and a penny pair wakasa ye a was here. Now, and what you know, connected to need the man and Pipia Manukono, Yera, Macmanu, and so at was so Echemuse. Dear Bakwa was Andy Yamanyoko and the Ghana for your Shannon soon. And I say, Electoral Commission, Yachimutanya. One near Makoba Ghana by Ama one to me crata, Sabana Batuanken Cansonia dear, one bedi Makotinepa. Now Sabatuanken Cansona was a bibia, a fan of Quansoya CI 127. No, I was a number Quansua, and from Sobia da Amaho. Nam Suntis ye Electoral Commission, Amana and a Juma Yano, now Andy Samanyokonia Sadana Danata, Ombromonsem, Abubadum, any time.
His deputy chair, Mr. Samuel Tete, stated emphatically that there was no declaration of the Ablekuma North, Lomikwa Benya, Tema Central, Okaikwe North, Ahafuanu North, Ahafuanu Southwest, Obuasi East, Techiman South, and Nsawam Adwejiri constituency parliamentary results, because the coalition was incomplete. Indeed, the Commission has maintained that all purported declaration of parliamentary results made under duress, as was seen in those constituencies, are not in conformity with laid down processes enshrined in CI 127, hence illegal and will not be upheld by the EC. Conclusion: it is therefore our expectation that the EC will immediately resume the collation exercise. We implore the National Election Security Task Force to provide adequate security to facilitate peaceful collation under a serene environment. We are also calling on the NDC leadership to rein in on their supporters. We are very certain that our parliamentary candidates in the above-mentioned constituencies won the elections based on verifiable data.
I was your worry. I candidate and Dema and Pipia Manyokuno or a Mark Menuno. Now, Dr. Casso to Forsen. Walk home, Rasha Fiadom, Kumano from 1 year, 1 mobile, Denny. Now, one also saw Akasa, a trust, the idea one no. I know the Benkum Naji. Nam Suntino and Pipia Manyokuno, and I NDC mum, Omanakura and Prewomo, so Wamoko pet majority side atana. I walk Rasha Fias and say, so passwa. Nyamiya dumwa, a fearful from Mokrono. And this Yamanyokuan one or ga, woman about Dom Cassia no afan. Was it running in no aya batos from Quagana Fokoto ye? Now her certain Musa, Mamwobon and one equasono, and Sada and Quayam Peninado. One abedi a chair one myself, minor poto, Nam Sunti, and quasi a done to me no adema one more ebium. Nam Sunti Yamiya domo for Friar Baba Simono. And this Yamanyokuan one better on my wemu, our majority one of my feel my hair, out of turn you my paya baboya, and yan you may be and no jatum my pencil.
Right Honorable Speaker, I would like to thank the people of Ghana for electing His Excellency John Dramani Mahama as the next President of the Republic of Ghana. The people of Ghana have once again shown that they can rise to the occasion when it matters the most. May I, at this point, acknowledge the hard work of our present 137 NDC members of Parliament for their dedication to duty, which has resulted in the unprecedented number of MPs elect for the NDC party. Mr. Speaker, I'm proud to announce that we were able to snatch over 50 parliamentary seats from our colleagues at the divide. We took more than 50 parliamentary seats from the ruling NPP party. Mr. Speaker, we have clearly shown that it is possible to reduce the NPP majority to Nkokwan Katenkate. Indeed, Nkokwan Katenkate is possible. Indeed, Nkokwan Katenkate is possible. Right, Honorable Speaker, the night Parliament will be unique and interesting. It would be a contest of ideas between the super NDC majority and the mini-micro NPP minority.
I was your way, Dr. Kesso to Forsen, and what you know. We were one announcing why I know the Babato and this Yamanyokono in any titru, and a woman Rasha Fiano. Sir, one more shunk couldn't be a song Quagana for the Ama woman. Momo Chirimonyo Decora, say one more Dunkunuma, and Chidiomo Pebia, and Umbabaya, our Rasha Fiho. Now, I should dear Cassia Nabada woman so, say one becro mudio no man no cordia, Koyaba, one more time, son of Baya, Ghana for bonus Sabana, one more toyeno, woman and sons of Papa, Eddie Friso.
To my cherished NDC political party and the incoming government, may we never become like the Akufo-Addo Bawumia government. Right, Honorable Speaker, we have to be different. We cannot be like the NPP government. We may be guided by the principles of integrity, probity, and accountability. Mr. Speaker, the time has come for us to do right by the people of Ghana at all times and to champion people-centered policies that genuinely benefit the voter and the ordinary Ghanaian, not the political class and its cronies. Right, Honorable Speaker, indeed, it is finished.
I was so away. I don't come no bano Dania. Warm Shivja Fia Ranimu Senyami Adma for Besimono, or Baba Majority Leader Dr. Kessel at Forcing. Now, I know what you know, Naira Samo could you talk black one of Tom Rashibajani. One also Baba Yatu Musa, Ghana for just a woman bore and people Bongara to cry. Ato Chine Baby San, say woman one one mubono, Nanyoma answered that and quay. Na anu mo na mensha south mrashabajani yewra Matthew opoko prempe wano na LPP amanyoko no na waya Frank atuni abedi akire papa so gina no hene ha ma menya me ko otu ye kura menkasa ya no an sa na amen sa mo NDC for asa nanu ankasa na ebehia ye no akwakwa dane nkunimdi amudi ye mu adansede ena mba bedi no mrashabajafie ha ena na te sa de a mum ye nyina ya nsode ye na nka mo nko a na mo mekira anya mo ye no sansa de yakoso mrashabajafie ho no enya no ho mum eno mba betena ase a omodwene ho yi.
Majority leader had come to an understanding as far as government business that we can pursue this session that we are undergoing. Just to get up and say that Ghanaians have totally rejected MPP and all his bills and all his encumbrances is a very, very unfair statement, Mr. Speaker. It's a very, very unfair statement in the sense that there are other things that have been programmed that I think that we shouldn't even bother to do. Why should we at this time take up any bill, whether it is an environmental bill or social bill? I think the new government then should come and start, because we are resetting. And I agree, Ghanaians voted for resetting. So, Mr. Speaker, let's probably, the only thing we have to do is to take the vote on account and close shop. We should not continue with any business here, because like Honorable Okujeto said, and rightly so, Ghanaians have voted for the resetting agenda of Nkoko Nkiti. So, not only that, Mr. Speaker, apart from the vote and proceedings and maybe his end of service benefits that he's very much interested in, every other thing, social protection bill, second reading of bills, third reading, so that we have enough time to do Article 71 business and do vote on account, such that, yes, if it is not worth doing, it's not worth doing. Please. So we have agreed on resetting. Let's close shop on everything. Do those that are interested in that will further his own personal interest. And close shop. Thank you.
Where you Matthew Opoko Pempana no mensha south mrashabajani na ana ansana. Mrashabajafie kura wamba sha setena asia no na mrashabajafie no Wobibia da wurawura mu maako na yehwesa ye ne wo ne nsantwerofo nso bedi nkomo na de ahyehyɛ wo mo bo no won batumi aka amankrofo atebi do me kwa banya bato mpreso so mrahye dwane asebere wo fra konya so ma me Sara adwo safo anso ne nkrofo akasai na ɛho no de akwakoto dwa ɛkyerɛse won de ɛsɛ ya no huhunye ne hu biem sansa de besie nya asia wie na ade ba kwa wadwene ho pa ɛyɛ ne papa ɛne na sɔre no sɛ ne papa sɔre ne begina wo benya nkrofo bebre obehyerehyera wonom na Ghana so akwankan na wonde ogidie wo awrehemu pa sɛ de NPP amanyoko yi asie no ɛno nkyɛ sɛ wonom awie yesanse be ma hwease a na ɛnye na wie ya no na nyame ya dom wan fie nan wo mbesa sɔre bum na Ghana fo nyina da yenso yagye bum akoto aba no.
I told them I was going to be with Dr. Baumia. I'm going to do other constituencies when I have the time. But Domiko Abenya, I think that my influence is still there, and I want to give my opponent the way and the room and the space to enjoy it and to work the way he wants to work, not the way I want the constituency to follow. I've done 12 years in the constituency. Well, what I'll say is it's a bit too early, and I know that there's still some issues in there, but if you look at the gap that we win with and what we are contending with right now, I think as a party we need to have a critical look at that constituency and how we can bring it back, with or without a
I was so worried. I am Rasaba Johnny, your Domiko Abenya, but one person, so Mamma Sarah, Adwasafo, Yakwa and Sanfo from na Achman Ponia man cinema and na Yadri. Nina Hine, Casutia, a hor and na Abusia Yakrina. Amanaboya and Saka free one which Remusa Namranta Quapa. I can't tell a woman can you have one mabatia. Now I am crashu. And na Yase Achman Ponia man cinema Kobo Nina Hini, and then for from one more quaya. excavator say ane gold ahodo binum na won makoyi dese ya cha say won mo adekro obi nim nipa ko a wosoma wonom eno kan obi ma mrante kwa ye wokro no so no wom so bufu ye papa ne enpanyimfo ye mrante ye ade siane gika gametuo kasaya ye kasai enipa no mienu won machi nanan won sia do ma foforo bi so pra won mo pra no abusua ano adin na ya ne wora kwa me owusu akasai na woka aya security man no ho ama ya ne no di nkomo no enkyeremo sonko a ode ema ye ni
ye de ba ne na yo kan nim ti omo security man for no mienu na tutuo no so ba ko sudu ye for ma ko na hunu to so to ya kan ni pa mienu ye sai to no na kromafo o se kroni ni ana sai to nti kromafo no I don't announcement say we pay man conform aside to me say ya conform. Into my announcement say obi MPM na obi we ase kan nkra na etuo. Nso mo ba side to. Enti say me ye be gina he na side to abo my kromo bo na be do. Go shooting na kan ni pa me. Go mo afo na squid for no mo side to ni bi no mo kra to. Ni akọ to. I say free side to na say. Into mo shooting na ka ba akọ no me enu na mo do nko ne kwansi o mo ba say ha ne. Akọ wudi ani mo nso mo ni ba akọ be. Ye YouTube na wa check ra. And we are normally for glasses in him. Tiahedia corner, can't move in a sea. They see boys now with the enemy see and change. No more had the echo, I know I did. So, boys, you come to the Lydia, boy, back with the lady, man. Stone, lion, and our boy being or their father. Like as you move chair, rough. Maybe a 4 no nama, 4 no nama. Normally, dear father, by one or Cotogo, baby. Yeah, your press come on the farm to go grown no Cotogo, baby. We can't almost say he's about him. Yeah, quite if you took one day, come to Omuna idi ka ko omuni ka ma woni shutu be 7 chance kwa na tunu ma wo come there dey obi an ka ma dey program na me kwan say ma holding like say bia me dey go to yeah there
I was your worry aya niana ekoso awonyina hini no emu kakra ne ekotie no na ya bomodin se ansabeka assembly member ya wo chechire electoral area yera Samuel anyi neniana no ede ho enkomo yeguso da pusu ahoma no sayensa ebeka no yentoa ansam so yi ana santrofo hyamudia bia koso ewa Sante Mantemu where aya Ghana Water Parliamentary woman krabata ewa Sante Mantemu Senior Staff Union ana enen santrofo edi enkomo wanmu nsam no nyina no aya wo mo bangalos bia ewo nyina hini eya nhyiaya so ana afede nyame ya won susuo sa private developers bi abusua won makobu buni nyina to aguama na empanyefo ya won tete won no eho kire won na eno na aka wo bi ama Ghana Water Parliamentary Senior Staff Union no atu predwade amane se won mpan toto mpan no a won eho dwopa na won ma private developers no na awase no ya donhwere makomako aduana nwotwe se won ma hwa fa yi anto yi na bangalows no ma masisia ne ebesie no anya semketo na yansan kwayechi na ya ne honorable Samuel anyi ne nkwadi nkomo wo ya assembly member e wo chechere electoral area honorable ya mo official Paul honorable Majoy hello honorable Temenka
so me don kapa
mo official Panso
asen conversation ya afisi na asinji aba me kuro
amen na de ma me yanti asempa o e ba no say
na so hima anopa be 6:47 ana ko bi pick up by say ya so mo fi national say o me stop galamsi a work city kuro mo hono nti o mu di enu kuro no to galafo mo wo hono ana mo ko mo so say o mo ko yi o mo skabeta control board no skabeta stre wo hono omukoya no adimafo na anye ebia na omukọ free no muyi wi o mo se o mo fa gold ni fa nka ho mo o na mo se what and essa dia mo free national mo ba be stop adima na ata be gold dia ana mo se o fene se o mo fa gold ni man ya ta na aya ya ntakwa kakra ana o mu dia kwaso na embo ana mo se to mu ka ana mo se o mu ti se o mo ko esi o mo ko be o mo free ba ya nti o mo ko ya by 30 minutes ana ya sa mo se pick up baako miansa eba omudi o ma san kwata side o ma san wuri o ma kwa side foforo o mu godu an o mo say o mo yimi o mo control board membra na o mo fa o mo gold embra o na ma na boys na o mo kwa side baako no o mo sa beduru ana o mo say mo ya kronfo mo kura mo ba on sa na mo ye
And yes, and I just a boys no, or more but they would say, Mumbla na Cronford, but Cronumo, and no mini na Coba barrier, our more sequino. And to your last, I know mobile school, other friends, so honorable. Our conphobia ba, Seno Mokaya. Ana me dimri ko koduro me koduro ana na me se o mo panyin wa he na papa ba ko gina no wa so o na ye panyin ana me se e dia na de mo ba wa so ye sojani ana me se ye sojani wa sa na me busa na 3 times wa sa wo ye sojani ana me se you ID card kire me LI kire so ye sojani papa ne gina ana me se ye ID card wa gina asama wa sa kan ne se we are retired soldier ana me se dabi so we are retired soldier Christ so why ID card ni kire me papa no ndima yi ano saa tam no na boys no ajiga ko mu so nti papa no hwe de akoso na ehu aba na wo de kwatena ni ka mu watena ka no wakati boys ndo mi antena ka no mu ko ana me say mu ko an wo say o ma ya fom so anya ana wo so mu ba ana me ko ye me ko kakra no me say bu so boy ba ko nti ha pa na dama no awari mu ba wo say nipa wada wano ya fra ne sane wo free manka so afa no district na me ka say na afa no district ya sa aya twumpo ni ada na mu ba ana wase ayene ana me se wa eno mo kire me se wona odina ka ba ko no me kwa na wo se me kwa na no watena ni ka mu otuka no because boys na bo barrier want me fa be a mo fa wura ona no mo fa o forest coin bi wo ana timba kwa na wa fa o kwa na boys no andi wo no ne tina wo ma na mo ba ye no pick up no mo se sa abode afo ne tina mu no ana boys ni na so ko mo se se na se sa dia nya ma mo kwa ma mo kwa disa mo ma ye control board na mo yi no ana mo se o mo anti metia na no atete ma to kasute ni o me ye ni pa mienu tuo no ka ba ko na koma o hono ma na mo da fa ne hwene mu ene na so ene na no epie ana mo se what mo ntam ni ka mo ko fa tuo na boy na kwa ya sabia na ba ko so da ho ba ko da anti ye sa na me mo mo dia bobo ya de ba mienu na ndi mi ka ko no ana me amedi e tie ko duro ana me ka tie ba so mo de mo mbra fam anti me be duro no exercise boys na omo fire no mabu kasudi boys na dia bu omo nyina no ma jana sise wuram ana eya sa no omo sa chi omo driver abu ni sisi a wada ho ana wada no ana me say okay sisi a de yendi ni jama na nti sa tam na soldier force bedu ana me na soldier force no ede omo ka na fa na sa kwa yar sabia eye de tiema ayar sabia bi ko bi no no me say to sabia omo ni da ya critical ya no sa omo no omo ko manka so hospital enti ya sa na me say okay omo nya na soldier force no fo omo ka ba ko no omo fo omo ko enti ya sa na me san ma jibra no be beduru ya no ana me ko be bia ade ni si ene na omo pick up mienu na won na cheto mabu omo ma omo adwane ana boys na charger two cars ni na mienu mu papa na wato ye so de ni won na de me kan out na ko se be do nti omo hu no na papa na omo se wo ya standing out won de ne kan na adwane first no wo ko no de fa for timba kwa mi wo ko bi won timba kwa no wa ja kwa ka no wo kwa mu ana wo no fa for me dwane enti ye sa no se de fo no be dia na ni akwhwe ka se ne se se sa de ko so mo am da ya sabia no ansa na ya we de ya sa ba ana me frɛ boys so mo nja bibia no bibia nyo but na enye easy ana ya sa kwa ya na aji wo
you're sama watamenka
me tie pa
bo me kakra nipa no a won mo ba ya no a wo mo se wo mo ya srafo bi mo se wo mo free national ne ade no wo mo dodo no mo ya ba sai
woman na me nipa be 19 because I say wo ko tena ka no me kai wo mo 19
wo mo te sai kire sai no mo sitie
almost so pa but ba kuna waso ye treje ni no wana na me hwa na ampa na waye ye na papa na wo mo friend sane no wana na amsa wo me ye but wo me na ye abode afo nko a enje sa na boys na wo ka sitie se na se sa de wo ya kronfo mo so mfa ncha mo because sa de ne plastic no because wo to aba hu na wi na ma be to asiu so dia wo mpe no ma de no mo ko
enti se se ni parodo se na won mapra
se ni nipa mi no aprapa sisi o mo da mankra so ayarsa bia o mo driver ni ba ko no aseja fo no kura chi soja ni no wo se o mo san akwachi sa papa na wo ye driver ni na ya pra down ana ba ko na tuo ne kana ko ma na de ko duru do tie ma ayarsa bia no wa ndi o kura doctor ni se wo ne de wa film enti a police fo na ba fa no sisi o ma de na akonyina ana nyina na police fo no so o ma bia de o mo sa to asito o mo ko mankra so hospital no ma kwachi o mo driver ni na ka o se dia o ma nya evidence na free o mo
yo dia ya tu ne tuo no wa ya kromani ana se waka wo mo ho
wa ya awu o be to ba kromo e kwa ba 4-5 years ni to ba kromo no o kra ha de ba ha ya 3 months
You're Samye. Hello, Penny, what's an car? I said, one woman was out done as a CA.
I'm a fair.
More,
Piano. The sea of Clemens Pepeniano Mukunga, or my job, Palano.
Dear, what no, at Naira Swan and Naira Tiasi.
Near Atias about
Wow, okay. Oh. And just say, and one man you be much a woman.
Miano no my young Bakuna, where driving your voice, Mikomo, now, and Papana was say, 1 year surgeon, you know, one in the kind of question, the Bintin can know about the Fanecano, and a police one will do Pepenam, voice and then make it as a win, and I was 2 years surgeon. I know me now, police one down of some moment in a queen in the year.
And just say, and what to say, Uncle Some Diaba, when we'll be at and what's he.
They say there, I dear one say, make us a minimum to do my presses because I just a tropo phone, I said the phone in so buy and Chroma phone in that Jennifer say William. And I won't come out, also yes, I know probably Chroma. I won't buy that say ABC Dino. Also, I Jennifer say William. I got the people to do official William, some Omaka, Omonkaya, minimum. But Ariana met a voice no say, only Nanti no Mumbusia Bia, the only Obian, no, yeah, fast, I have film. And so this is Namuka Mumbusa film.
Not so you can say a pussy for an answer for don't be a baho. So one baba Buamma, son, you may in to a chana.
I knew any commander, my friend on my what they said, police for buyer. Okay. And carry so one so at the be buyer. Anna, my friend raging, said you follow whatever do uncanny. And Tinyame Adam, Ombedu and no Kuno, woman, now be a Janico, so Rama Kuno Adjocatra.
You, upon your mere for see na a show who see ye my yammy had more china. There was about one Chania Baba J in Chemusa so. Woman for in our much me about Drew Fia. Why? Edasi. I was your way assembly member your watch at your electoral area. You are Samuel and you need another Casaya. Now watch your chimara was someone another day as ye a walk in a hinny. Now, I no go some so I can walk Ghana water can Parliamentary another dream some trophy shamudia. One more frefa, one more bungalow Sibia, a be a one shire so. Naba konso de nyame na wo so sir private developers bi akoko bubu bungalows no atoagu na aka obi ama won mama omun don hye no aduana nwotwe sir won man hwe na bungalows no won man sisi amfansi won mu a anhwa ne ebesie no anya papa kura wo mbetente so kokko ade akere wonum na enabro na central function mudie na ekoso no Ora Emmanuel Kodua wano ye vice chairman at the senior staff union wano na nsam trofo di nkomo bra ya man boni kwame redru ekopie mu
efa nansen ye nhyiemu bi a ye wo de nyame honum no de ntu aso ye wo mu ni se ye nya intie ye nya intie bi free ye penifo ho se mbese omoni ya nhia efa nso a atwa ewo asantiman se mbese omoni ya ndi ehu nkomo se ye di ye nyama atu form se nyama bia ye yeti a ye managers bi nti ye nye eduma no biom no mbese omo hia ye wo ho omo so se omo nya ngofo bi frɛ omo penifo bi frɛ omo ntina omba ayɛ meeting ewi yaji omo we no atum sɛ ye start issue no pumping no ene ya intimine o kasɛ ye nkrofo nyina no ahyɛ ase a omo ye adwuma na me pɛsɛ me ka asɛmbi efa oyɛ kyerɛ kakra na ayɛ ho say yen say workers no niama bia ne say na say akadia bia ye dia maye say yen fanye adwuma no yen de ye bo hu ban ana ye yes if you so for ahwesofo say ye hweso ama Ghana man ene nchirema waja say enti so wo ye bibi obi ye bibi na say sa ade no ebe hwe ya say ye so ye de yes sorry then so sɛnea ɔmo kɔɔ hɔ koraa kɔ bubu ɛdan no a obi ti mu no na ɛntwa yie koraa enti yɛde adesrɛdeɛ ɛne yɛde ma yɛn nkurɔfoɔ no sɛ na ɛnyɛ yakoma mu sɛ yɛbɛdi na ɔmo nsuo badnea na ɛsɛ sɛ ɛyɛ dɛn ɛyɛ ɛno no.
I was aware Ghana Water Parliamentary woman crabata. I was Santamantamu Senior Staff Union, where Vice Chairman Ora Emmanuel Kodia. 21st Clinic na yakan for Diama was so young Kohonomoa. Now a Kohonomon Towson say Apomode dear a win. If you are some yadia baby and one of my what I'll bet to me a call. And no Kobana San one Dania Quada no small Bukran or Bonahene. I was your Chianamon Tamway, not one cadem. 21st second one month show was Siata Kayade. Ama 9 white titi ukwana utogusu enkanena nya sana wotie 21st bodoma boaw obeyo massage ahodo obemma onuro amasane ma nyina se atu ade afri honom kuma se obehu wo mo hwa overseas junction woboa se wo kanso quarters enkran dome market sunya ne nkranza ena fei tachiman 0540 311 0540 311 3 herbal center and 3 core capsule sapa ayakoko masetadro osisi wayam timu koko no hwase obano no bie sanse dro ba ko no hwe adwuma aye ewo ne padue ne mu na bradwe ne ntiase so kwale na ke ba dan heba misti anase epidank from panyufo ewo 0546 107 46107107 Mizo and 5G. Yadam was Madame Mentimo ye, and no be no dear, and what do woman at tea upon it and naso. I was your phrase 0246 270221 0246 270221 Express Group near. Was a hen up as oko, a Canada, a US, UK. Holland na brai nane won munim komo wom do bekwatata hwehwe kra ya wonka ha biem kumase wo asafo labor runabout Accra obehu wom wo kan shi first light 0249 000448 0249 000448 Sompa chadia na yakan fodi ama o yase de wo don sam eno de ma de ode baba bia da ba je bada wase twedi amponso be hira wo pa wokọ Sompa nkranza Ghana Commercial Bank dining yo ho sunya na yo night market kumase ya bedroom hotel a mobile money ya ho mane 0598 559 802 0598 559 802 After Liberty Conference and Sunni. I was in December so the other basso. I remind you do watch it, the Yamia Serano, Nanyame Sirano, just a bibia Binyame Mano, and was Serano ho, so bet to me to be a mawo. Now I see a feed the Arabo Sumi Diano. I am a dancing Yamia ya dear what watch after morning na. I was one nasi your command wate, men finding that ye dear friend yum. Wahanan son yi mu ayaba ko na jonto fire to nsade afra wo mama Esther ka ho minister Kwame Jedu minister Moses okay minister Kwaku Jasi ana Esther nyameche nyame yadoma memende di anim ye ehun asem ne ye kan sa no 21st December anopa no nsia ne ahyase ewo Jubilee Park enti brabia na obeye nhira ebusua wodi ko da no nyanska ne ya no wasaska ne bia mu na wanya Sompa na wahwe ye sanse ba ya ba no ya ba be mu akatua papa ye gina reso ne hatan ho tew ya ba ya de pie ni wa ana beto amuso
21st clinic yes sciatica expert sciatica no wo nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia be si ase ho no se ho techema eno ene fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu oto ase ka wo se dwe wo sirem wo je ho ba bia enye na no na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia baso bo magine wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa Womuji international awards ahodo, womuji local awards ahodo. Na anu nso na womu be the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa. Bibrim hano ebi ni baby a gise 21st clinic nkwa. Womu dia bibidro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho. Eya yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama ade ba ko a wo magidi wo mu pa no. Eye sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa. Diabetes ni hypertension ni ade Ghana ha baby a wo mo ho 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 na 21st clinic wo mo ye sciatica expert.
Introducing Mixer 5G Sparkling Drink, a whole new refreshment in a can. Mixer 5G is a tasty non-alcoholic drink. It is a perfect companion for all your events, including parties, weddings, and funerals. It is made with green tea, ginseng, guarana, grapes, and grapefruit. Get refreshed with Mixer 5G Sparkling Drink. For bulk purchases, contact 0246 270 221. This advert is FDA approved.
Brakasa ya duabon waso a ne dwumedi wo nipedua biara pom den ene na brabo mu ne hia yi pa enye brakasa nko nuaba ne haban bi te se ko nsusu a abonwono ne dia akeka ho no kura enwanunu ahodo a ekọ animu yi ankasa brakasa ne sa nuaba yi binom ne akeka bom di afa abefo kwan so a ye dia ya brakasa powder siesi nipedua na aba akwa ahodo no ho ban afrimpani yade ne yade ahodo pi ho fa enkodate de ma baako freduane anopa ne anwumre anafa enkodate de ma baako woni nsuhie yeti anopa ne anwumre wobra wadidi awie ubenya prekese powder to Kingswalk Heba ne Harrows Heba Accra Okezi Drug Lane Dani Heba Kumase Mensa Takrade Mose Pharmacy ne Greenlight Pharmacy Sunwane Kashenkari Supermarket Asantwa Heba ne Bibidro Depot Techiman Sewa Heba Mampong etufo mfre 0550 19 15-14. Prekese powder. Aduane san yedru. FD ahwehwe sankratu emu agiatum.
Hey sewa, me hu acho. Me na nanu me bisa ekra so kwa abrochu.
Kwaku, afei na me beko. Me nkrata akra ni.
Hey, ene me ma connection man for den kofo sika aduane ni wanya otuadi mu sa no.
Oh, Express Group adarumenti akwantu ayefo. Opese otu kwan kosua dia. Express Group do beko mind bi to say Canada, US, Australia, UK, and Germany. Say e to ana se visiting so a Express Group do beko Dubai, Canada, US, Australia, and Germany. Mo amopese motu kwan koye adwuma nso obetimi de wako Dubai, Qatar, and South Korea. If you also want to take international tests like SAT, IELTS, TOEFL, GRE, GMAT, they can help you pass easily. They can also help you secure a good job in the UK. You should mention Akwan Kumasi as a labor runabout where Accra so Omo Carnation First Light, Tama Omo Community 18 Lashabi Girl Filling Station. From Moa Macho for ISO 055 555 0067 and 0249 000448.
Here in Ghana, when it comes to chicken, the good old days are back. Why? Because Boris B's Chicken, BBC, is here. Yep, give your family and loved ones Boris B's Chicken. Fresh, tasty, delicious. Boris B's Chicken is produced right here in Ghana by our cherished poultry farmers with support from the Ministry of Agric. Get whole frozen chicken, gizzard, chicken feet, chicken neck, and chicken liver for those special family meals, buffets, picnics, funerals, and all restaurants. Get Boris B's Chicken. It's halal, so everybody can enjoy. Wherever you are, call Boris B's Farms hotline 05 444 444 53. Ask for our branch that is closest to you and come get your chicken. Boris B's Chicken, BBC, proudly a Fiakoko.
Na ede na aya obayi a oda forma so ne yafunu mu emunum ni.
Oh, Mr. Entry, also yare ya titi bi benfie pi nanso ne yam nyono da. Se me che onu ahodo amato a me hunu hwe a ebe ya nwanwa.
Menyi ni se what ulcer tamfo Haxa capsules any Haxa mixture yanum bom kutia ulcer no bia ma no anom. Anka ne ho ato no dadaada. Ulcer dro de eno ne Haxa capsules any Haxa mixture.
Ankom ni nkyeremu.
Ulcer ye kura eto yafunu ene ensunu mu. Etuma wo yafunu ekeka wa. Wodire ho a enye. Ulcer etumi ema wo ye
check ebra wedidi awie somehow ulcer there compare hexa capsules and hexa mixture nanum bom na ho ebeto
Pedudu etua ko Okanshi Drug Lane Kumasi Dani Herbal Takradi AA Mensa Anafre 02038228855 Apinfo abatan a woma won mofra no fo ene mofra woni mfie dumienu enka ho Haxa capsules ene ne mixture
ulcer tamfo edie age adwadie nkratoyi yi atom
Afinsiapa. Obo Herbal and Medical Research Center say, Wama nyina afinsiapa. Dr. Obo say, O bronya achede de mo bia. Achede no ni, ompeso bia de yare besa afefofro na say. Ne santi, every 16th December, the 25th December, obetimi akọ Obo Herbal and Medical Research Center atena ya. Ewo Ghana ha ba bia, akohwehwe woni padua mu a onye wo kapre. Me kire say, free. Inti wasebra, no check wakoma, o kidney, o liver, ne woni padua akọ aka ne ma. So wo hwe na yade mu a obesama wobra wanyu sika kese bia na wase a 30% kyerese untue sika twitwiridie se wo yade bi wo so na wakoa na nkwa fa bronya achedi so na ko Dr. Bonchen na wansa oyade eka obebo bia nso obeche omu 30% sene nso ma me biemo se promotion na bronya achedi chance 16 December dia kosi 21st December na ebekoso ewo Bo Heba branches edidi so Kaswa official town Obenjedi restaurant enkransa owade seman adruakwan so Kumase obehunu wo adwato adumanu sunyane owo zinko on immigration center ne de animhwe techiman oben kente royal house open chemu abro me de nso a obetimi afọ Bo Herbal number si so 0549161508 ne 0550191514 afi 0549385619 Obo Herbal and Medical Research Center abibidro kasa 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 kasa.
December to remember. Masidani Erade. Masidani. I way annual Thanksgiving Liberty Conference. O mahini ya wedu watch. Eyebre. Onyame namne so eye anwodi nie bebre. Otun study fresh food for thought adihye nyina. Ene wumpa onyame namne nkyerɛkyerɛ so. Aye bibiama wo se. Way eye yasida etwato. Liberty Conference December die. Ebeye Fanta Bruta. Yasamo ayekasa ho no. Ye free David enyom. Oha ene nso. Echichemu ba. Ye nyina ye kruchire ya seda. Nye dia koma ochire dia mpom. Kwamba se yadom. Ewo Jubilee Park. December bosome. Nida etoswe dionu ba. Eye memene da. Anopa no sia pepepepepe. Ya jomtofo nie. Ye maame Esther Nyameche. Moses Oke. Minister Kwaku Jesi. Mama Esther. Minister Kwame Jedu. The resident worshiper. Na sada no. Ye beyi wo nyame aya. Mosre sane abefia sasia. Medrofo. Uti fie ye de. Liberty Conference. When the chatwo ewo afie yi mu. Na hye. Onyame nam na ye Yesu. Wobechi wo bronsa. Wobebro no. Amane de nkuku ne nkaka. Akotena da braka. Wobetena wantumi ntua ne ka. Ednani akyere mu otutu ka. Na onyame oye ka chiafo no. Onam sa akwanya iso. Betua ye ho aka nyina. Na hye ne nso se. We ye communion wine. Any breaking of bread. Direction. Liberty Conference. December edition. Oh, glory. Hallelujah.
Sompa TV, Emma Akitiapa.
I was said I want say unto one some the soil Africa Quabra South, I was Santaman Tamonia Tree, and then crom you know ya boy one in two boy so come to the pam home. I'm paying 4 year walk running far. I just say a more bunny idea equisisi. Pampimo our BIA ESM. Campbell Limited, one would do a mujuma, Arasa, one bed boo, a mobaka seer, I will chronosure. Not Nanyana, yes, I want much as I said, Mequono. One more juma, one more yano, one wankas had your pair as sequania. A dying tribu one de babu ho. Now soon to no chroma for and tenase. Now one tenase yansha high, Emma Wajuma Baba Yano. Nippam pem, one son of Diana, Emma Wonum. I can be my assembly member, Yawa no chronoso, Yara Evans. Could see and some Parliamentary Bonnie Bawa Bedu. Education ho enkomo
issue I cause no say the work quarry do on my friend ESM quarry na quarry oye director kwan a link two communities e bon any intibo ho wabroko kwan no meanwhile no obeje e concession 2009 na kwan no sa kwan no na e wo hoda da communities no eyisu na nse bi
obi awo kan no opemfo I was so free ntiribuo ho new site ho eba eye ebuo ho ko hospital pagya ene fa no owuo kwan so na yene nanam wudi nkomo nanam uchire mu se man ne ba be concession kwan de na da ho da ba na omode land no e man in fact so ohia Ghana constitution na chapter 21 no article 257 no eye minerals no is vested in the president.
Anochi no na akwasi bosompem we otumfo na ntahene chiame wono so de kakra etuaso
na ntuma miye yeso ye de ni nyedai entum ye dwene kro no ho ye prokro no mpuntu enye kro no ahwe ase ne ye de ye dwene ho ye ya ye kwan no ye ya ye kwan ana abaje okon se ye kwan no na afa so ye de eye waduma na wo de ye wo si ye ni ntiribu ho kwan na ka timfa okon timu wo si no se ka ntim nyedai enko ho eni nti na mo ye so be sin se wo so ye so ye kwan na ye ne ka ntim mfa ho nyedai enko waduma mo
afei adehye bi ma wano wo bo ho ne ntiribu ho so wo mo so kasase
Dientina wasanso edemla asan ahye ne nsam a oyɛ saa because yakɔ kɔdeɛ commander hɔ ɛma wade atum so obeyi yakɔ offense commander hɔ wade atum so obeyi waba beyi ne nyinaa wasanso gye tum sɛ ɔbɛyɛ den ɔbɛwɔ takwan no anopa awia anwummerɛ since yakɔɔyɛ no ɔmota nsuo kurokura ɔmfa nsi kwan no so.
abuso wei ayaboa ho ne ntiribu ho na da dua de koso ano no ye gina reso ne de si koko Veronica Jando akosua somoa ya Grace Buzi Reverend Michael Happy munyina ya damwase ora asante eboa ba ne de won ye nsefo panyi akosua agye wakode eboaten ane medin sebere ye sorsoko asempeni